Ukuthwasa liberated me from embarking on that journey. Ukuthwasa kwandivula amehlo. That not all of us that say uThixo nguThixo sithetha ngoThixo. So I am going to say that abantu who go to churches, especially in these prophetic churches, can they please be mindful of what is being said to them? Ayinguye wonke umuntu ovuthayo okanye ayinguye wonke umuntu ophakamisa izandla athi uNkosi uYesu inkosi usube uYesu inkosi manyana. So I want us to be very much vigilant when it comes to those things, because sometimes abantu bazimela ngegama likaThixo, or they put the umbrella of a church, yet they have hidden agendas. So yes, I'm known because I am a very well-known preacher. And it was difficult for me to accept the calling because in the traditional healing space, there are certain adjustments that I had to make. And from coming from a place of liberating impilo zabantwana base-Walter Sisulu University and the whole South Africa is like South Africa jikelele, it was not easy for me to now say to them, okay, I am no longer just only a person who believes in God, but I'm also a healer. There's an addition. I remember my very first post, a poster on my socials on Facebook. At that time, I was not on TikTok. Ifaki ithombe zami beqeda ukungibopha amalungu omzimba. Iyatrenda leya post. Look, comments, they were over 10K comments kuphela. People were shocked because it was a shock to everyone. That is why even on your socials today, everybody's like, uKhanya. Abantu bazi uKhanya the preacher. Abantu bazi uKhanya the girl with, always wearing high heels, always looking good, helping people. But I can't do it's just only within the parameters of being umzalwane. Umzalwane who does not practice izinto zakwantu. So now it comes as a shock, of course, because they never expected that me of all people. So